Hey, Tom, good morning. I'm
Good
Valerie
morning.
with Progressive Air Systems.
Good morning, Valerie. Glad to meet you.
You too. I'm here to do maintenance on the AC system.
Oh, for the 6995 special that you're running
Yes, sir.
right now is, I always have these concerns because I get all these robocalls for the 1995. I get all these postcards. I could show you the stack that I have of the 1995, and I was going to go with the 1995, and then I said, well, maybe not a good idea. What makes your 6995 better than the 1995?
Well, I do understand your concerns. Everybody gets those. We get them a lot. They're overwhelming sometimes. Most of those companies, they work on a commission basis. They don't make anything on 1995, so they come out, they're high pressure sales. They're looking for something to be wrong. They're looking for air quality, growth inside the units, anything that they can say is wrong. They may find a leak. They might tell you it's low on refrigerant. Like I said, they're out to sell you something. They're going to do a visual inspection, kind of look at everything, and give you a bunch of things that you need. Us, on the other hand, we are hourly. I come out, we're here to keep your system running. We want to extend the life of your system for as long as we possibly can. We're going to check your refrigerant. We're going to check the amp draws on your motors and your compressor. We're going to check your capacitor, your contactor, your normal wear and tear items. We're going to clear your drain line. Going to rinse the outdoor coil and inspect the indoor coil. Take a look and see if that needs to be cleaned as well. These are all things that are going to extend the life of your system, and that's our goal. Those other companies, it's not usually theirs.
It sounds like you're pretty thorough.
We are. We do try to be. I'm usually there about 45 minutes to an hour. It takes me about 45 minutes or so to do the work, and then a little bit of paperwork. So yeah, we also offer, another thing is the Penguin Club. We want to reward you for having your maintenance. It's a good thing. We want you to do it every year. So you get 15% off if you need any repairs. You also get Penguin Bucks. They're like rewards money. So every time you renew, they're going to send you $30 per system, 15 for each additional system. You accrue those bucks over time, and when you do need a repair, you use them to pay for it. You get a huge discount. So we offer a lot of perks like that. Like I said, those other companies, they're out to make money. They want to sell you something.
So, basically, if I have a bad component in my unit and it's not running, is I can use those towards the repair?
Correct. You can use them anytime. You can accrue them for years if you want. Use as many as you want. They don't expire. And yeah, it's usually very, very beneficial to people. I said, we're out to extend the life of your system. We want to keep it running for as long as we can. We don't want you to have any problems. So like I said, those other companies, they want to sell. They want to make money on you today.
Yeah, that explains why when I asked them about how long they were there, they'll be at my house because I had an appointment. They say, well, we'll be there 20 to 30 minutes, and that basically explains a lot because they're just there looking the thing over and away they go.
Right. They're going to give you a list of things you need, and it is that they say you get what you pay for. Usually with those companies, that's what you're getting.
Well, glad to hear that. Is if we find that there is something wrong, you say you give me a written report, and if I don't want to do it now, is how can I get a hold of you to come back, because I do go out of town a lot.
Absolutely. Now, if you have something wrong, if we find something that we want to recommend that's wrong, a weak component, something like that, we will let you know. We'll give you an estimate for it. We'll let you know if we think it's critical or if it's something that can wait. And then you can either give us a call whenever you're ready, or you can even make an appointment online. Our website is www.progressiveairsystems.com, or our number toll free is 855-847-3898.
Oh, that's good. And can I request you because you were so thorough?
Absolutely. They try to do their best, just depending on where we are that day, but they always try to accommodate.
I'll let you get started.
All right. Thank you, sir.